today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix forms that are not working. If you found yourself frustrated because your forms aren't submitting correctly, you're in the right place. Let's walk through what you need to do to get everything running smoothly again. First, you need to go to the Wix website. This is our starting point, so open your web browser and navigate to wix.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. This will bring you to your Wix dashboard, where you can see all the websites you've been working on. From here, open your particular website where you've been experiencing the issues with the form. Click on the site to open the editor, and this is where we can start troubleshooting. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page where your troublesome form is located. It's essential to focus on the specific form causing issues, so click on it to open up the form settings. When you click on your form, a menu will appear, providing various settings options related to that form. Now, this is a crucial step, so make sure you're following carefully. Next, you'll need to click on the section that says Form Settings. This is where all the nuts and bolts of how your form works are housed. Within these settings, take your time to scrutinize the form fields. Double-check that each field is set up correctly. Pay close attention to the email addresses used. Make sure they are valid and correctly configured. This is important because any errors here could prevent form submissions from reaching you. In addition to that, it's a good idea to test whether emails are being properly sent and received upon form submission. Send a test submission to yourself and verify if you receive an email. If the form is submitted but no email arrives, there might be an issue with the email settings that needs fixing. One more thing to consider is ensuring that all required fields in your form are filled out correctly. Sometimes overlooked, these mandatory fields can often be the culprit. Make certain they are clearly marked for your users and validated to avoid submission errors. Required fields need proper input. Missing or incomplete submissions will block the process entirely. By going through these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues with your Wix forms not working. Attention to detail is key. Remember, the form settings and email configurations are at the heart of your form's functionality, so a keen eye can save you a lot of frustration. Take your time, double-check your settings, and you'll have those forms up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the best out of your web forms.